Alright guys, welcome back. We are in Substance Painter. Now we can load in that door frame. The low poly, of course. So make your way to that low poly folder. Grab our door frame low. Hit OK. Make our way down to the bake mesh maps. Change my output size. I want 4K textures. Grab our high poly. Change this to 0.24, same for the bottom. Anti-aliasing, 8x8, and bake. Welcome back guys. We're done with the baking. Now let's start adding some textures. So I'm gonna go to Smart Material. I'm gonna grab that dirty mirror texture, drag and drop, go to the layers panel and go to the drop down folder, and let's go to glass and add some roughness. And this looks good somewhere around here. It's a nice, very nice texture. Close this up. Name this base color. Now let's add our favorite material. Where you hiding that? Right here, drag and drop. Sci-fi. And I guess we can make this a little bit bigger. Let's go to the hexagon. Make this a little bit bigger. This looks good right here. Change the color to orange, or we'll just do a nice light color, gray. Drag the folder down, go to base color, make this black. Let's go back to the top, let's close this out. Right click on the layer, add a black mask. Now we can position ourselves so we can start adding textures to this. That's good, we have it exactly where we want it to be. I don't know if I want to add it in any other spots. Maybe here. Might look cool here. That looks nice. Now let's label this pattern and add another material underneath this. So I'll add the chrome blue underneath here. So when I go to base color, I'll right click and add a white mask. And let's change the brush to the artistic sponge. We have to go back to opacity and lower this to something closer to 12, 13. And for the flow, we'll change it to, let's do 10, 11, somewhere around there. We get these nice subtle marks. And I don't want anything to be too prominent. That's why I'm not adding any scratches or unique cuts, because this will be mirrored along. And I don't want this to seem, artificial, although it is. The goal is to sell an illusion, right? That's what we have to do. At least try our best to do. Looks good. And although we'll never see the backside and things like that, I'll do it anyway. Because I know it's there, No one's ever going to see this backside, but we'll just do it anyway, just in case. We get a wise guy that wants to just look behind. Alright guys, so this looks good for texturing and we are done. So let's start exporting these out. Let's go to our directory and let's go to our low poly. Let's create a new folder. And you can always go to a new folder here, or you can press Control-Shift-N. And let's label this Doorframe _ textures. And let's select the folder. Output template. Unreal Engine 4 packed. The size will be 4K, even though that's overkill. And let's just start exporting these. And now I'll bring up my folder and drag that low poly into it. Have my low poly folder. Doorframe low goes into Doorframe textures. MTL gets deleted. And something I always do behind the scenes, if you guys are wondering, I go back to the high poly and I get rid of that Doorframe high. And then I just delete it. So that's what I'm doing behind the scenes, if you guys were wondering. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.